best scheduling software for small businesses. Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you what I think is one of the best scheduling software for small businesses out there. Now, the platform I have here, it's called Resdy.com. Now, if you want to go to their website, just go to, of course, Resdy.com, and you'll be able to see this particular website over here. Now, there's a video right here if you want to know more about the product, and you can play that if you want to. Now, this is particularly made for small businesses such as tours, activities, attractions, shuttles, charters, tickets, stuff like that. And then once you start using this, you'll be able to see that they have a lot of features. Aside from booking, aside from calendars, you can actually go ahead and enjoy a lot more features. Now let's start and check them out. Once you start setting up your account, you can go ahead and connect with Google. Connect your account with Google. Just go ahead and log in with Google. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to see this particular website, this window right here. It says here to set up your business. Now, this is where you input your business name and choose if you're an operator or a reseller. Now, the website is also required, but if you don't have a website, it's okay. Just go ahead and tick this on. All right. So now we just created our account. So as you can see here, there's literally like nothing here. So once you've done creating your account, you can immediately create your product just by going and clicking these tabs right here, which is pretty neat if you ask me. Now the trial ends in 21 days, you guys. So you can go ahead and activate it now or not. Let's go ahead and activate now. Okay, now it's activated, you guys. Now the billing information, let's go ahead and, before we activate it, you guys, you actually have to input cards. So I think I'm going to skip this step for now, and let's just go ahead and try to explore what's here on the sidebar. Okay, on the sidebar, there are a couple of options to choose from, or a couple of features that you can actually access, which is the dashboard. This is an overview of all the things that you have set up, the marketplace, inventory, orders, customers, agents, schedule, reports, sell online, integrations, and settings. Now, what is under marketplace, you guys? This is where you can actually search for activities that are actually listed on the site. So these are tours and activities. You can also find suppliers over here, find agents. You can check other company profiles, market rates, and then access the settings for marketplace as well. Now, for the inventory, let's just go ahead and click the drop down button right there. Now, for your inventory, this is where you can find your products, the extras, categories, resources, vouchers, promo codes, pickups, and packages. Now, for the orders, this is where, of course, you see how many of the products that have been ordered for your business. And of course, the customers is a list of your customers if you've already managed to attract some customers. And the agents right here, if you have agents going on, or if you have agents to work for you, maybe just to go in and advertise your business, you can go ahead and check them out here, manage them here. Negotiated rates as well. For the invoices, it's also here. Blacklist is also here, and agent requests is also here. Now, this is up to you if you can actually go ahead and employ agents, if you can actually manage them here. For the schedule, this is when it gets interesting. You can see here your calendar, the manifest, agenda, and bulk update. So for the reports, overview, revenue, channels, products, transactions, booking, lead time, customer demographics, voucher liability. For when selling online, this is going to be the part where you can customize website, theme design, booking button, and widgets. Now, the integrations part is also cool as well, because you can integrate a lot of websites and platforms as well, like Google, Facebook, custom conversion tracking, third-party apps, REST API, webhooks, payment gateways. Now, this settings tab right here is different from the settings over here under Marketplace, because this is the settings that you can actually set up the whole profile of this account, which is the company profile, payments for this particular software, regional settings, billing and plan, users, taxes and fees, emails, action logs, and legal stuff. Okay, so now you can see that it's more than just a calendar, you guys, right? There are lots of features that you can go ahead and explore. Now, for the most interesting part of this features, I think for me, is the schedule over here. Because not only that it has a calendar, it lets you see the manifested bookings, agenda, and bulk updates. And of course, it's also cool that they actually allow to integrate Google, Facebook, custom conversion tracking, third-party apps. Facebook is where most of like tour businesses or activity businesses can also be found, because there's a lot of groups on Facebook, you guys. Mind you, it's important for you guys to like be a member of any like Facebook groups that is dealing or that is for your product or for the service that you offer, because this is where you find a pool of leads, of possible leads, and then possibly convert them into a customer, manifest them as a customer. Now let's check out and let's try to create a product, and let's see how to create a product over here. If it's easy or not, well, I think it's easy. I've already tried it with another account, and let's go ahead and try to create one. Now, before you go ahead and create a new product right here, you can sort them out by most popular or alphabetical order right here. Now, we are viewing them out based on the most popular. So as you can see here, activities are the most popular for this particular platform, but there are also a lot of stuff like day tour, gift card, multi-day tour, private tour, rental, ticket, transfer, shuttle or flight, lesson. Okay, if you're like doing for classes or like cooking lessons, private charter, event, merchandise, custom product. Now this one is custom because it lets you create a product completely from scratch. Now if you don't have the product, if you don't have your product listed here, for example, you don't see it here, you can just go ahead and click on custom product over here and then create your own product from scratch. Now let's try to create our own product from scratch. Okay, let's hit next. All right, now the product name is going to be up for us, you guys. So for example, we are setting up like a birthday, a birthday event, or like a birthday, what do you call that, catering event or catering service. Let's go catering service for events. There you go. So a unique code is your SD product code is P7WMA. So let's go ahead and copy paste that and then input it here. Oh, come on, man. All right, there you go. And then input it there. Now the product pricing is it by person, by item, fixed. Now this could be either by person and everyone. And then the price would be, oh, wait for a while. All right. Everyone, because this will be like per person. So it depends on maybe like 20 people or 30 people will attend the catering service or the event. And then that's going to be like, per person. So let's just try and put in $100 per person. Oh, yes, this is advertised price. It can actually increase or decrease if you have a negotiation with your customer. Now, quantity, minimum, max, maybe the service of the max is 50 because, you know, it's pandemic and we can actually go ahead and invite 100 people over, right? Now, quantity label, singular or plural, participants. Let's go ahead and choose plural. Okay. All right. Now, let's put in a brief description, you guys. So maybe let's try and put in, we cater food to different events, right? Like that. Okay. And then for here as a long description is that we offer our service for $50 a person. There you go. Check out other details for this. There you go. Now, all right. If you want to add in images right here, I think it will actually help for you to add in images here of your past works. Then just go ahead and select a file right there. So basically, this is how you set up a product here on Rezdy.com. Now, I've shown you a lot of features that you can access from over here on the sidebar. Now, you can go ahead and try to explore them right now. And then let me know what you think about this particular platform over here, guys. And I hope this video has been helpful. And that's it for this video, you guys. See you again next time. Peace out.